Christmas time is here and the sale is happening right now. Use the discount code HOLIDAY right down in the link below on my website at paradoxstyling.com and get 10% off any color you want, including this sick crystal Tiffany chrome. This is the new chrome. Normally the chrome comes with a paper backing, but this one has the PET plastic backing, and it's gonna look super smooth on the car as if you dipped your car in chrome itself. So don't miss out. Go order a color right now. This sale is good until January 1st at midnight. I did some wrapping last night in the suit, and as you can see over here, this whole side is almost all wrapped. You can see how nice and smooth this finish is. So obviously the car is not in that great of a condition. If it was fully painted and there's not primer and all that stuff on there, it would look even more spectacular. But man, this looks amazing already. So if you guys happen to catch it live when I'm wrapping it, let us know in the comments if you came from TikTok Live, and then we'll see what this thing looks like at the end. Let's take it into the lab and continue.
Let it Let it.
looks so amazing in the Tiffany mirror chrome. Are you guys ready to see it? Check this out. There she is, looking beautiful. So this thing was incredibly hard to do, but this chrome was a lot easier to work with than the chromes I've done in the past. With the new heat gun, I'm actually able to actually heat it up without discoloring it. So the key is to use the weldy on a level 2. If you got the weldy on a level 2 and you don't pull on it and then you just lightly brush it, test it, play with it, and then you'll see. But all you got to do is just soften it up a little. That way the wrinkles can conform. But you really want to set up your wrinkles correctly on this one because you really can't heat it that much. As you can see, as I went around the car, I started to get better and better at it, and then it finally laid down perfectly. This car is great to do it in the chrome because it's got all these little sections. So this is a different section, this is a different section, different section, different section. So the more sections the car has, I got mic'd up because there's some animals like screaming over there. The more sections a car has, the better it is to wrap in chrome with because you can break it up in several different pieces. Right here on this mirror, come check this out. Come here. So on the mirror, I decided to do a forged carbon instead. I think that looks pretty good. It breaks up all the chrome. We did the roof in a black, a gloss black, because it has a sunroof. So when you have a sunroof, it's probably better to just do the whole thing in gloss black, and then you won't be able to see it. It kind of just blends in. I'm considering doing this top portion black as well. Maybe we'll try that next because I have a lot of chrome material left over. I got a 75 feet roll, and by the time we were done, I still have that much left on the roll itself. So a lot of material to redo any parts I need to. Right down here in this section, this looks pretty slick, right? If you guys were watching me wrap this on time lapse, you would see that basically what you want to do is just build it one piece at a time. So you do the bottom, then you do this, then you do this, then you do this, then you do this. Then you go on the inside and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks complicated, but when you piece it together correctly, the chrome definitely can just absorbs all the seam, and then you won't be able to see any seams. Let's go check out the back. I didn't even bother taking this wing off. I just left the underside of it black, and as you can see, it kind of just blends in very well, even though the underside is black. So I cut it off right here or so, and this just makes it easier to remove the wrap when the time comes. I'm definitely going to try to preserve this for as long as possible. So I've put the triple S on this, let it dry for a day, and then I ceramic coated the whole thing. Well, diamond coated. So I'll put the diamond coat stuff on the screen right here. So everything that I'm using to take care of this chrome, I'll put it on. So it's gonna be the absolute wash, the triple S, and then the diamond coating. And then after the diamond coating had time to settle, I triple S it again on top of that. So this thing is so smooth to the touch. This feels smoother than glass if you guys can touch it. So that will hopefully protect it because this car is sitting outside all year long. When you're doing a car in a chrome like this, if you leave it outside without the proper protection, it's not gonna last that long. The sun's gonna beat down on this and cook it like the last time. So hopefully with the diamond coating and the triple S, we're gonna be able to make this thing last as long as possible. And then very soon, I'm gonna try to PPF right over this whole thing. But it's gonna be parking outside for at least a month or two before I PPF it. So we're gonna see how that goes. With the triple S and the diamond coating, you probably wanna reapply it every week. The triple S every week and the diamond coating probably every 6 months or so, just to make sure that it gives it that nice protective layer. It's like sunscreen for your car. That's what my man Justin Pate says. So this whole thing looks definitely amazing. Oh, I can't wait to actually get some body work done on this thing so that the final product would look even better. So the next time I chrome this thing, I think I'm gonna have a body shop really just sand it down smooth for me so that we get a nice perfect finish. Because on the hood, my wrap job wasn't that great, and then right here I had like some damage where I bonded it. So if you're doing a chrome wrap and you don't have a perfect finish like this, where the bondo is happening, you can see it. So that's why you want to have a body shop kind of just get all your dings and everything out, because the chrome shows everything. Let's take this to the gas station, and then we're gonna get some of this at the gas station lighting and see what that looks like. There's just something about this lighting, spectacular. We actually found a subscriber here. What's going on, man?
How you doing, Paradox?
How you doing? Hey, you got the sick. This is a E what?
E36, 320 IS, 320 IS. It's a 96.
Just in that thing or what?
Nothing crazy, just a little street daily. Nothing crazy, and nothing like this though. Nothing like this one.
What do you think? What do you
This is
think of this
crazy.
chrome?
I'd love to get a wrap one day. I think I'm gonna get to this guy soon and get a wrap. That'd be the killer move.
Is this chrome like banging?
I don't know. I don't know if I can go that crazy with chrome, but I'd love to do something basic on that. I mean, this is just untouchable right here. So
You gotta go
go
hard.
to this guy if you want a nice wrap done.
Hey, thank
This
you,
is where
sir.
go.
Thank you. Yeah, we showed up here at the gas station, obviously, and this is usually where I go to shoot once the car is done, especially in the winter time. And man, just give them a quick walk around real quick. We already showed you the walk around, but get up close on this thing. Show them all the good parts. So it's still a little wet from all the dew that's condensing on it, but ooh, this is probably the best it's gonna look ever. Right after you wrap it, you gotta get the footage of it because the chrome doesn't last that long. So we're gonna try to see how long this chrome lasts for. Oh man. With the forged carbon mirrors.
Touch it.
So good. Merry Christmas.
Check out.
I'm gonna be driving this all over town, so if you see me on the freeway, honk at me, let me know that you saw it on the channel, wave and say what's up, and let me know how good this looks in the comments below. So if you want this color, you know where to get it. Go onto my website, paradoxstyling.com, and get yourself a chrome or any other color you want. Go down to the link below. The discount code holiday is live until January 1st, so make sure you capitalize on that discount and get yourself a roll and start practicing. Now is the perfect time to do it. You got plenty of time to practice so that your car will be ready to be looking sick for the new car season. Let me know what you guys think about this color. Do you think the mirror chrome finish looks the best? Which one's better? Mirror chrome, the color shifting, or the glitter? Let me know in the comments. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.